Here we are, over in Blackburn this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer who's having a brand new house built way up there. But this customer did not want a Starlink on his newly built house, so he wanted it on this little outdoor plant room where we've had to go through. Into here where it's then wired down through a duct there. Comes out into this duct here where the electricians hadn't left a rope, so we had to use a 150 metre cobra to push our way right through the duct. Right way up. And another cable right the way through underneath the garage. To its exit point just there where we've come up. Through that gap there into next door where the comms room is. Along that racking, down the back and into that cabinet there. Just currently setting up these deco units so we can have them hardwired throughout his house. Professional install by Phil and Aaron.